tanong ko po ay ganito. Paano mo pong nararamdaman kung ikaw ay tinatawag na ng Panginoong Diyos?
Mararamdaman mo po pag nakakaroon ka ng interes sa Kanyang salita.
Kasi,
Ang salita ng Diyos, ang tanging paraan para ang tao matawag ng Diyos ngayon. You will know that you are being called by God by His words. Let us read that. 2 Thessalonians chapter 2, verse 14.
Whereunto He called you by our gospel.
How are we called? By the gospel. We have the gospel. And that calling can be felt by having interest in the gospel. Tagalogin mo yon.
Sa kalagayang ito'y tinawag niya kayo sa pamamagitan ng aming ebanghelyo.
Pag nagkaka-interest po kayo sa aral ng ebanghelyo, tinatawag na kayo ng Diyos. Kasi pagka wala kayong interest
kasi matagal na po akong sumasama sa asawa ko po, matagal na pong membro. 5 years na po, pero nagdadalawang isip po ako.
bakit po? Duda kayo sa amin?
Hindi po.
Ganito po kasi kapatid, may utos ang Diyos, subukin ang lahat ng espiritu. Di, makinig lang kayo, pumunta kayo sa pagkakatipon, subukin nyo kung may dayaan sa amin. Di, pag may dayaan, lumayas kayo. Wala namang mawawala. Her husband is a member 5 years ago. Now, she told me that she hesitated to join the group. Do you have any doubt? I asked her. She told me, no doubt, but she's double-minded right at this moment. I told her to just go with her husband, listen, investigate. Now, if she will find out that we are cheating people, then go out again. There are so many religions. The coming forth of so many religious denominations give us so many chances of knowing the truth. Do not be bothered. The other people has this notion in their mind. There are so many religions, that's confusing. You must not be confused. If I will accompany you to a beauty contest, for example, the Miss International or the Miss Universe contest, and you will be at the Miami Beach in Florida with all those beautiful women, will you be confused? You are given a chance to choose which of them is the best that you like. What do I mean? Habang dumadami ang pagpipilian, yun ang gusto ko. Habang dumadami ang pagpipilian, dumadami ang choices mo. You are given a very fair and very good chance to select the best. So, the more religious group are sprouting like button mushrooms, the more chances you are given by God to investigate and find out the true religion. Amen? You must not be confused. Halimbawa, pumasok po kayo, tingnan nyo, mali naman kami, hindi naman kami totoo. Labas kayo, punta kayo sa iba. Makita mo pa rin, mali pa rin. Labas ka na naman, punta ka sa iba. It is God's commandment to investigate. You have to investigate. See that? 7:27 of Ecclesiastes, it says,
Behold, this have I found, saith the preacher, counting one by one to find out the account.
you see, you have to count one by one, to compare, to consider one by one, to have the account, to have the truth. You have to consider everything. You must not be half or partial. You must be impartial. Listen to them all. Listen to everybody. And listen to Brother Eli and compare. Afterwards, decide and ask God's guidance where you are going. Amen?
Maraming salamat po.
It is the best thing that we must do. Ngayon, malalaman nyo po, tinatawag na kayo ng Diyos, pag nagkaka-interest na kayo, pray for that, to have that feeling in you. Salamat po.
Salamat po.
Maraming salamat.